color it with yellow. Okay, ganda na rin. Excuse me. Sit properly. Okay. Go. Color the uppercase, the lowercase N. Okay, color it with yellow. Okay, do it slowly. Go. You do it. Slowly. Okay, the next one, it's NG. Okay. Go find the do it slowly. Good job. The next one is letter
G.
Okay, find the lowercase G. Okay, go color it with yellow. See, properly bend down, bend down.
What
Go
potato?
color it with yellow.
What potato? P. Pressure.
Do it slowly, slowly.
Pressure.
Let me help. Okay, good job. Hold on, high five, high five.
High five.
Good job. Next, what letter is this?
E.
I'll find the lowercase E.
E.
Okay, match it to the lowercase E over here. Do it slowly. Okay, good job. Next, this one is
U.
match it to lowercase U. Good job. The next one is
T.
okay. Find the lowercase T. Go. Okay, good job. Next,
K.
okay. Find the lowercase K. K. Okay, good job.